Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use the extend feature on the SUNO mobile app. Let's get started. First, open the SUNO app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap on My Songs at the bottom to see all the songs you have created. Find the songs you want to extend. Tap the three dots right below your song. You will see a button labeled Extend. Tap on it. This tells SUNO to continue the song from where it ends, keeping the same voice, style, and mood. Now tap on Extend. Now give it a few seconds. SUNO will automatically generate a new part of the song like another verse or a nice outro and blend it smoothly with the original. Once it's done, press play it to listen to the extended version. If you like it, tap save to keep it. If not, you can tap regenerate to try a different version. And that's it. You just use the extend feature on the SUNO mobile app. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.